Alright guys, here we are again. If you listen to this sound, this is Jason snoring. He just woke up when I was about to film him. He doesn't look very happy. Give us a smile, Jason. And this guy here, look at this dude.
He's still sleeping.
He doesn't listen to anything. Let's look at that.
That one beer put him out.
One beer.
Put him. He's still sleeping.
Yeah, he's sleeping like a dog. Freaking dog.